Hola amigos, welcome back to our tech journey. Can you believe these old bottles can transform into elegant tableware in just a few short hours? It seems like magic, but it is pure engineering. Today, we step inside a high-tech facility to witness the incredible rebirth of plastic waste. Before we dive in, please comment below to tell me which country you are watching from and what time it is there right now. Every minute, 1 million plastic bottles are used worldwide. Most end up in landfills, but today we see how they get a second life. This journey starts here, where thousands of discarded containers are gathered to be transformed into something useful, clean, and surprisingly high quality for your home. Watch closely as we follow the path from a piece of litter to a sophisticated dining product. The scale of this operation is truly breathtaking. The first step is smart sorting. These high-speed optical scanners use advanced lasers to identify the chemical composition of every single bottle in milliseconds. Precision is key. Robotic arms and high-pressure air jets instantly blast away impurities and non-PET materials to ensure only the highest quality plastic remains. Only pure PET plastic is suitable for making safe food containers. This automated system filters out 99% of all contaminants before the next stage. It is fascinating to see how computers can read plastic types faster than the human eye, ensuring the safety of the final bowls and plates. Even with high-tech sensors, human experts still perform manual checks to ensure perfection. One small mistake could ruin an entire batch of thousands of products. These bottles are now ready for their most dramatic change. They have been separated by color and type, prepared for a complete physical transformation. The efficiency here is incredible. This facility can process tons of plastic every hour, turning what was once environmental waste into valuable industrial raw material. Listen to the rhythm of the machines. The hissing of air and the clinking of plastic create a symphony of modern recycling and environmental protection, from chaos to order. This is where the life of a discarded bottle truly begins to change, leaving behind the landfill and moving toward the table. Now, the bottles must be stripped of their labels. This machine uses mechanical friction to peel away the paper and plastic sleeves in an instant. Then comes the crushing. Powerful industrial grinders shred the bottles into small fragments known as flakes, significantly reducing the volume of the plastic material. These flakes then take a deep bath. They are submerged in a hot alkaline solution to dissolve any remaining glue, dirt, or organic residue. This is the most satisfying part. You can see the dirty waste turning into sparkling, crystal clear PT flakes that look like tiny pieces of diamond. The heat and chemicals ensure that every single flake is sterilized. Safety is the top priority when the end goal is food-grade dinnerware. After washing, the flakes are dried. This process removes every drop of moisture, leaving behind a clean, dry material that is ready for melting. Look at the quality. On average, 1 ton of old plastic bottles yields about 800 kilograms of high-grade recycled plastic flakes like these. The consistency of these flakes is vital. They are filtered once more to ensure no metal or glass fragments have accidentally made it through. We have moved from waste to a pure raw material. Now let us see how these flakes are reborn into solid plastic pellets. The flakes enter the extruder, where they are heated to 280 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, the plastic melts into a liquid. Look at this flow. It looks like thick, clear honey. This extreme heat kills any remaining microscopic bacteria, ensuring absolute safety for the consumer. The molten plastic is extruded into long strands. This process aligns the molecular structure, making the final product strong and durable for everyday use. A quick plunge into cold water solidifies the strands instantly. This rapid cooling is essential to maintain the clarity and strength of the recycled PET. The strands are then chopped into tiny pellets. These small grains are the seeds of our future bowls, ready to be molded into any shape. These pellets are incredibly versatile. High-quality RPT can be recycled 5 to 7 times without losing its structural integrity or food-safe properties. Modern technology is truly powerful. Using these recycled pellets reduces the need for new oil-based plastic, significantly lowering the factory's carbon footprint. The sound you hear is the heartbeat of sustainability. These machines run 24/7 to process the mountain of plastic we saw earlier. Everything is monitored by advanced software. Precise control over temperature ensures the plastic doesn't burn, maintaining its beautiful crystal clear appearance. Only the best pellets move forward. Any batch that doesn't meet the strict transparency standards is sent back to be reprocessed. The pellets are on their way to their final transformation. It is time for them to take the shape of the bowls we use. The pellets are melted again and pressed through giant rollers to create a long, continuous sheet of plastic with a perfectly smooth surface. This sheet is then softened by heaters. It needs to be just the right temperature to be molded without tearing or losing its shape. This is the moment of rebirth. A massive thermoforming machine uses vacuum pressure and metal molds to stamp out dozens of bowls at once. Watch as the flat sheet instantly takes the form of the mold. The precision is incredible, down to the last micrometer of thickness. And there they are. The disposable bowls we see in restaurants and cafes are finally taking shape right before our very eyes. A sharp blade trims away the excess plastic, leaving a perfectly smooth rim. Don't worry, the scraps are immediately recycled back into the system. The rhythm of the factory is mesmerizing. Every second, hundreds of new bowls are created, ready to serve a new purpose in the world. They are cooled quickly to set their shape permanently. These bowls are designed to be sturdy enough to hold hot soup without deforming. The quality is indistinguishable from products made with virgin plastic. It is hard to believe this was once a dirty bottle in a landfill. This facility is a testament to human ingenuity. We have turned a global waste problem into a circular economy that actually works. Each bowl represents a small victory for the environment. By choosing recycled products, we are helping to close the loop on plastic pollution. Quality control is rigorous. Technicians test the strength, clarity, and safety of each batch to ensure they meet international food safety standards. They are even tested for durability. A good disposable bowl must be strong enough to withstand the rigors of delivery and daily use. Once cleared by the lab, the bowls are sent to the packaging line. Machines count and stack them with perfect accuracy for shipping. They are wrapped in protective film to keep them sterile until they reach the customer. Everything here is automated for maximum hygiene. Did you know? Producing a bowl from recycled plastic saves 70% more energy compared to making one from brand new oil. These products are ready to be shipped all over the world. Each one is a commitment to a cleaner and more sustainable future. The transparency of the process is important. Labels clearly state the recycled content, helping consumers make better choices for the planet. Sustainability isn't just about the product, it is about how it is made. This factory uses renewable energy to power its machines. From a discarded bottle to a useful tool, the cycle is complete, but the mission to protect our planet never really ends. The journey of a discarded plastic bottle ends here, but its new life as a useful product has only just begun. Using recycled products responsibly is a small act that brings about big changes. We all have a role to play in this. If you found this journey as fascinating as I did, please type the number 1 in the comments below to let me know. Or type 0 if you have suggestions on how we can improve. Your feedback helps us bring you better and more exciting stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech discoveries. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.